and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to open an LOL surprise pop-up store. Even though we don't have or open a lot of LOL dolls, I thought this would be perfect for our videos. There's a little pet store, a coffee shop, and a little pizza joint. It has 3 different functions. It can be a display for your LOL dolls to stand on, of course the little play set, or a little carry-away case for your LOL dolls and accessories. And there's an exclusive LOL doll inside here. It's time to open it up, and Kitty's going to help me out. The first thing I see are the little footholes to display your LOL dolls. I love that everything is pink and glittery. And there's another shop we didn't see earlier, a wig shop. There are so many different compartments. We'll just have to explore. Some more footholes for LOL dolls. And there are 4 levels total to display your LOL dolls. It's like little stairs. And down below is a secret compartment. Ooh, and there's 4 surprise bags. These must be the accessories to our very rare doll. Each bag says Wild Style. Ooh, and our first accessory are little pink sunglasses. They're a cute round shape. Now let's open our second surprise bag. I'm sure it'll be another accessory. It's a little backpack with wings, and there's little white straps. So cute. Now for the third bag. This feels a little bigger. I have a feeling this will be her outfit. Ooh, it's rose gold. Rose gold is actually my favorite color. Now for the 4th bag. Maybe the water bottle or the shoes. But it looks like the picture of shoes in the compartment. So these will be, yes, the shoes. And they match the outfit perfectly. They're so cute. Let's explore our display case a little more. There's another little shop. I see dressing rooms, and there are the outfits. And there's the checkout counter with the jewelry and the sunglasses. And the far wall is the accessories. It's called BB Boutique. So this is actually the carrying case. And there's a wall that goes up like that, so you can keep your dolls inside. And we'll tuck it back inside and turn the case around. Oh my goodness, there's so much to explore. Here's a little room for the kitty cats. And here's a drawer with another surprise, Tiny fans. And this is her water bottle. Oh, sparkly rose gold. Oh, it's the cutest. And here is the little baby room with another drawer. This must be our doll. And I just wanted to point out, inside the little drawers are beds for our LOL dolls. 2 beds in each drawer with different pillows and bedding. And finally we get to meet our exclusive doll. Oh wow, Tiny fans. She has rose gold tights and beautiful rose gold hair. That's called ombre. It's lighter at the bottom and darker at the top. Here she is, all dressed up. We just need to add her little shoes. I think this is my favorite doll yet. I cannot wait to show Tiny Treasures and Tiny Treasures Mini this set. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.